Welcome to Databit. This video is to demonstrate GL consolidation report using Sage Intelligence reporting module. In the Report Manager, you may create new reports, or print existing reports template downloaded from sageintelligence.com. Let's run this sample consolidated financial report template. It is now extracting data from your Sage 300 databases. Depending on the number of entities in this report, it may take a while if there are many entities involved. Sage Intelligence reporting is seamlessly integrated with Excel. In this example, you can have a profit and loss statement showing each entity side by side. You can also drill down into that entity by clicking the plus sign. Now you can access the individual month's figures in their respective columns. We have now come to the end of this demonstration. For further clarification, please contact Databit. Thank you.